Welcome to our channel. If you're considering device financing, follow these step-by-step instructions to finance a phone responsibly without getting locked into unfavorable terms. Step 1. Compare financing costs against paying full price upfront. Calculate total payments, including interest, to determine if financing actually costs more than the phone's retail price. Step 2. Understand all terms of the financing agreement before signing. Know the monthly payment amount, total payments, interest charges, length of agreement, and early payoff policies. Step 3. Verify whether financing requires a long-term service contract. Some carriers separate device payments from service, while others lock you into expensive plans for the payment period. Step 4. Check your credit score before applying as it affects approval and terms. Better credit scores qualify for zero-interest financing, while lower scores may face interest charges or denials. Step 5. Read cancellation policies carefully to understand what happens if you leave. Remaining device balance becomes due immediately when canceling service, so budget for this possibility. Step 6. Avoid financing if you can't afford the monthly payments comfortably. Phone financing adds to your debt obligations and can damage credit if you miss payments. Step 7. Consider trade-in programs to reduce financed amounts. Trading in old devices lowers the amount you need to finance, reducing monthly payments and total interest paid. Step 8. Ask about early payoff benefits and penalties. Some carriers offer incentives for paying off devices early, while others charge fees or restrict when you can pay in full. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.